Hello, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. I am Nilanjan Shaha and welcome you to this channel. In this video, we are going to have a walkthrough on how to create the rock, paper and scissor game through codes. So without any further ado, let's jump into our laptop. So I have opened GitHub into my laptop and now directly go into the codes. So in this code, we can see that first we have installed MediaPipe. MediaPipe we have imported it because in order to detect the gestures that we are going to show to the camera in order to recognize what is stone, what is paper and what is scissor. So that is why MediaPipe is used in order to recognize the gesture. And then we have taken an array and into it we took three items into it. The first is rock, the second is paper and the third is scissor. And we have made the initial score, player score, and AI is the one who is playing against us. Both of our score as 0 and we gave the winning score as 5. So after that we can see like here I am keeping this part, and in this part what we can see, we have called a function detect gesture, and into it we have say if all the fingers, like all the 5 fingers are 0, then that is rock. Okay, then else if what we have said that if all the 5 fingers are open, that means 1, then that is a paper. And or if both the index and the middle finger are 1, that means if index and the middle finger is open, then that is a scissor. And if anything else other than this comes into play, then we will tell that as unknown. Then we have provided the logic here, and then in this part we have called our webcam, that is means we have from our laptop we have called the webcam. Now the main loop starts from here. Here we have set the conditions, and also if condition is here, which will check and subsequently increase the score of the player or the AI. So here if this player wins, if the winner is the player, then we will increase the score of the player by 1. Else if the winner is AI, then we will increase the score of AI with plus 1. Now again if again we have set an if condition which says that if this player score is greater than the win score, which you have set to 5, and if it is true, you will display the match winner as the player, else the match winner will be AI. And this is the entire code. Now what I will do is I will copy the entire code and paste it into the caption. You can directly copy it and use it into your VS Code. Other than that, I will also provide my GitHub's repositories links. You can also access it from there. Now I will open the VS Code and show you the exact thing what happens. Into the VS Code, we will open a folder. Now into this file, what we'll have to do is we'll have to the file already has all the required code that I have just explained. The same code is here. Now what we will do, we will just run the code. We will type in the terminal, we will type Python, then the name of the file, that is rock paper scissors .py. Now we will press enter. Okay, some error has happened. Yeah, the R is capital over here. We have spelled rock, the spelling is wrong. We will type again Python Python rock paper. Is it correct now? Yeah, .py. Now we can see the code is running successfully and the webcam is here. So we can see the hand detection. The hand detection that it is showing here, number of fingers 0, because till now I have not shown any fingers. Like see, if I show one finger, if I show one finger, if I show one finger, then the gesture it is unknown, because in the code I showed you that in the loop, in the array, we have said that if the middle two, that is the index and the middle finger is 1, then it will show as Caesar. Otherwise anything other than that will be shown as unknown. So now if I show 2 over here, then it is saying the gesture is Caesar. The AI also showed Caesar and the match is draw. Now with a count of 3 we will get to change, and I have did a rock with 0, all the fingers closed. Now you can see the AI has won 4 score, and now I have showed 5, and you can see AI win the match. Now if I press R again, I will restart the match again. Let me show it once again. I have given a paper and the score of AI turns to 1. Now I did rock again, AI did paper and he won the match. Now again I will give paper with a count of 3. Now again I will have to change with a count of 3. I did a Caesar. AI also did Caesar. Now I did rock, AI also did rock. Oh my god. Now let me keep it rock. Now let me give it a Caesar. Let me give paper. Okay, again AI won the match. And that's all about it. And we will press Q to get out of this camera. And that's it. Actually, these are the simple projects which we can do into our free time and add into our GitHub repository. I hope you will give it a try. Until then, thank you.